Prax, you've got the smartest home out of everyone in the office. You're always banging on about it. Tell me about your top 3 favourite smart gadgets you've got in the house.
I'd say number one, that's also saved me some money, is a smart thermostat.
Yeah.
So we got a plumber in who's come and fitted that against our boiler, and what it does is I can control the heating from when I'm not at home. I can also turn the heating on and off when I'm not at home, or if I'm going to be late home from work, it just saves on the gas bills, basically.
Yeah, and it knows when you're coming and going, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah, it works on my location. So before it turns on, it just checks where I am. If I leave the house and forget to turn the heating off, it knows to switch it off for me.
Baller. Right, second one.
Number 2, I'd say, is a video doorbell.
Yeah.
So I've got a video doorbell fitted, and it's brilliant. It's not just for security, but if I'm ever out and about, or sometimes I'm at work and my wife's not home and someone rings the doorbell, I can speak to them. It's really good for the delivery man. I'm always getting to hide packages in the bin or something for when I get in.
Awesome. And you've got video of you getting home drunk as well, haven't you?
Yeah, many times.
What's your last one?
So they've got these new light fittings now. They replace your current light switches, and what you do is you can get an electrician in to fit them on, and you can now control the light switch from your smartphone. So
So you don't have to get up?
You never have to get out of bed to switch a light off. You never have to have that argument ever again.
You're living the dream, mate. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much. This is your opportunity to rate us. Drop us a like if you think it was good. Leave us a comment, subscribe, share it with someone you think you might like it, and we'll see you soon.